Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful fabric rose flower. If this is what you would like to learn, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. These are the materials we'll be using. A circle template, a measuring tape, a needle, a piece of fabric, a pencil, a crayon or a piece of chalk, a matching thread, and a pair of scissors. We also need a lighter to seal off the edge of the fabric. My circle template measures about 7.75 inches. Now place your circle template on the piece of fabric and trace out the circle. I'm going to cut out the circle. To make this flower, I'll be using 10 light pink circles and 19 dark pink circles. Feel free to add more circles as you desire. We'll start by folding this circle in half. You can hold it in place with a pin. Using a measuring tape, measure along this curve. This is approximately 12 inches. Okay, now note that number. From the left edge of this half circle, measure and mark a quarter of the circumference of this curve. So we got 12 inches. 1/4 of 12 inches is 3 inches. So mark 3 inches starting from this edge and along this curve. About there. For this project, I'll be using the running stitch. So I'll be starting from this edge to sew along this curve. Now get a second circle and fold in half as well. Pin in place. Also mark 3 inches, just like we did with the first one. So I'm using a white crayon and it's not so visible. Please use something visible that you can see. Okay. So next up, take the second semicircle and place on the 3-inch mark on the first one. So you're going to place it like this and continue the running stitch, passing your needle through the second piece this way. Remember to make it even under. We're going to place the third piece on the same point. But before we do that, you have to mark 3 inches from that edge coming in. So you're going to do this for all the circles. Fold in half, okay? Mark 3 inches from this edge inwards, and then place on the previous one, and then pass your needle through, joining it to the previous piece, okay? Please note that for each piece you add, it has to be on top, not under. So any extra piece you add to the previous one, it has to come on top, okay, of the previous one. So this one is on top of the first one, this is on top of the second one, and the fourth one will be on top of this third one. So here I'm going to introduce the dark pink circle. So continue to follow the same steps, then I'll come back to show you when I'm done adding all the pieces. I'm done adding all the circles. What we're going to do next is to pull this thread just to form gathers. Okay, so I've gathered all the pieces. Okay, So I'm going to start from the very first piece and then adjust it to form like a curve, an inward curve. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for each piece. Okay, so just watch what I'm about to do. So for this one, just curve it in to form the very first piece. I'm going to use my needle and thread to hold that in place. Okay, so I've gone ahead to change my thread to light pink just so that the stitches do not show on the light pink parts. So go ahead and sew round until the circle is closed. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.